how is so if I sign up, how fast before I get calls or get work requests? Um, is it is there a lot of people out there that know about it? That so as soon as I go through all spend the 30 minutes or whatever, I watch the videos, I'm enrolled, I show proof of insurance.
Hmm.
How long before I start making that money?
Yeah. Well, and we get that question a lot too. And it's at the moment it's kind of a hard one to answer because we're a fairly newer platform, right? So the word is getting out and it's happening. But also because you have the ability to kind of do some self-promoting and run people back directly to you. So the thing is that if you're an ambitious kind of person who is like really on top of your game, it could be the same day. It could be the next day. It could be as soon as you make it. If you're, the type who's just wanting to be spoon-fed, opportunities, then this probably isn't the platform for you, at least for right now, anyway, because we don't have that kind of demand at the moment. But one guy in particular that I want to mention, this guy by the name of Matt, who lives in Indiana, Pennsylvania. Right from the gate, right from the sign up, he was pretty aggressive about everything. He ordered some shirts. He wanted his vehicle wrapped. He got some business cards printed, and I think he even went out of his way to put on like a local gazette or something, like $100 paid ad or whatever. And this dude is crushing it right now. So this small town in Indiana, Pennsylvania, like he needs more help. And he just texted me the other day and said, "Man, I really hope somebody signs up because I'm double booked usually most days."
Hmm.
And this is just off of his own effort. So he's driving around town in a Handiworx vehicle, and he's passing out business cards, and he's giving his referral link, and he's got house flippers hiring him, he's got homeowners, he's got general contractors hiring him to do things, and he's swamped, and that's all his own doings.